2 front doors, 2 kitchens, 2 complete homes, 1 structure, 1 foundation, 1 mortgage. This isn't a house with a guest suite. This is a duplex barndominium. 2 fully independent living spaces under 1 metal roof. And the cost? $240,000 to $340,000 for both units combined. Less than most people pay for one traditional home. Welcome to Prefab Pathfinders. Today, we're breaking down the Duplex Barndominium, how it works, what it costs, and why thousands of families across the U.S. are choosing this over traditional housing. If you're researching smart housing strategies, hit subscribe. We cover real builds with real numbers every week. Let's get into it. Here's what most people don't realize about duplex barndominiums. You're not just building housing, you're building income, flexibility, multi-generational options, and long-term financial security. One side pays your mortgage, the other side is where you live. Or both sides house family, aging parents on one side, you on the other. Or you live in one now, rent both later when you move. By the time we're done, you'll understand why this might be the smartest housing decision you can make in 2026. Also, there's one layout configuration most people choose wrong. We'll get to that. Don't skip ahead. It'll make sense when we build up to it. A duplex barndominium is a single metal building divided into 2 separate self-contained living units. Each side has its own entrance, kitchen, bathrooms, bedrooms, and living space. They share only a common wall. From the outside, it looks like one clean barndominium. Inside, it's 2 fully independent homes. No shared hallways, separate electric meters, water heaters, and HVAC systems if you want. It's not a mother-in-law suite or ADU. It's 2 equal homes built simultaneously under one roof, sharing the foundation, roof, and exterior walls. That shared structure is what drops the cost per square foot dramatically. Real cost breakdown. Typical size, 2,400 to 3,200 square feet total, 1,200 to 1,600 square feet per unit. Here's the 2026 turnkey breakdown. A metal shell, 40 by 60 to 40 by 80, $65,000 to $95,000. Foundation, $18,000 to $28,000. Doors and windows, $12,000 to $18,000. Interior framing and dividing wall, $15,000 to $22,000. Insulation and drywall, $25,000 to $38,000. Electrical, 2 panels, $18,000 to $28,000. Plumbing, 2 water heaters, $20,000 to $32,000. HVAC, 2 systems, $16,000 to $26,000. 2 full kitchens, $28,000 to $45,000. 4 bathrooms, $20,000 to $32,000. Flooring, $12,000 to $20,000. Trim, doors, and paint, $10,000 to $16,000. MISC, permits, site prep, and driveway, $15,000 to $25,000. Total, $240,000 to $340,000 for 2 complete homes. That's $120,000 to $170,000 per unit, roughly half what traditional new construction costs. Rent one side and your mortgage is largely covered. The income and flexibility advantage. Live in one unit, rent the other, mortgage about $1,800 a month, rent brings in $1,200 to $1,500. Your effective housing cost drops to $300 to $600 a month while you build equity. House family on both sides, aging parents or adult kids stay independent but close. One tax bill, one insurance policy, one structure to maintain. Rent both units, $2,400 to $3,000 a month income. After mortgage and expenses, many owners see positive cash flow from day one. The beauty, flexibility. The building adapts to your life, rental income, multi-generational living, or future-proofing. Single-family homes can't do that. We're about to dive into layouts, but here's the key. Most people building duplex barndominiums make one critical mistake with the floor plan. They prioritize perfect symmetry over real function. I'll show you why that's usually wrong and the smarter way to do it. Layout configurations. 3 main options. 1. Side-by-side equal units, most common. Mirror image layouts. Look symmetrical and simple, but often the wrong choice. You limit flexibility and overbuild for one side's actual needs. 2. Unequal split. 60-40 or 65-35, the smartest for most people. Example, a 40 by 60 building equals 1,500 square foot main unit plus 900 square feet secondary. You or your family take the larger side, renter or parents or kids get the smaller, lower rent unit. Easier to fill, better cash flow, better match for real needs. The exterior can still look balanced. 3. Stacked units, rare, one on top of the other. Adds 60,000 to 90,000 and complexity, only worth it on tiny lots. The biggest layout mistake, making both units identical in bedrooms. Smart design, main unit equals 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,500 to 1,800 square feet. Secondary, 1 to 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 900 to 1,200 square feet. This optimizes for actual use, family on one side, renter or parents on the other. Financing. 1. Construction to permanent loan, most common, converts after completion. Rates about 0.5 to 1% higher than single family. Down payment 15 to 25%. 2. Investment property loan. Lenders count 75% of projected rent toward qualifying income. 3. Owner-builder loan. Save 15 to 25% on GC markup, but higher rates. 4. Cash build. No debt, phased payments. Work with lenders experienced in barndominiums or investment properties. Regional banks and credit unions are usually best. Zoning and legal. Check zoning first. Some rural areas allow it easily, others restrict to single family. HOAs often ban multi-unit buildings, even if zoning allows. Require separate electric meters for rentals. Water and sewer can often be shared with sub-metering. It's titled as one property, one deed, one lot. You can't easily sell one unit separately. Maintenance and long-term costs. Exterior, metal, almost zero maintenance, $200 to $500 a year. Interior, budget $1,500 to $3,000 a year because you have 2 of everything. Insurance, 15 to 40% higher than standard homeowners depending on rental setup. Taxes usually based on total assessed value. Who this is for? Do it if you want rental income, multi-generational living, or maximum housing for your money, and you're okay being a landlord or managing 2 units. Skip it if you want pure simplicity, hate sharing a wall, or need broad traditional resale appeal in a strict HOA or suburban area. It's a strategic, flexible build, not a traditional suburban home. Real examples. Texas, family built 3,200 square foot duplex for $285,000. Parents on one side, son's family on the other. Each household paid roughly $142,000 for a full home. North Carolina, investor built 2,800 square foot duplex for $265,000. Rents for $2,700 per month total, to roughly $750 per month positive cash flow. Oklahoma, retired couple built unequal split for $248,000. Rent covers most taxes and insurance now, flexible aging in place later. Appraised at $295,000 immediately. 2 complete homes under one metal roof for $240,000 to $340,000. Rental income, family flexibility, and real wealth building. If you have suitable land and zoning and you value function and efficiency, this is one of the smartest moves you can make in 2026. Check zoning early, talk to experienced lenders, and design for real use, not perfect symmetry. Build 2 homes for the price of 1. Subscribe to Prefab Pathfinders for smart housing strategies every week. Comment with your state and whether you'd build a duplex barndominium. See you in the next one.